Hello everyone, here is how to sign up Bumble and create your account on the dating platform. So let's start. First of all, download the app from the Play Store and open it. After opening the app, you will find a screen like this. There are two options to create your account. One is using your Facebook and the other is using your phone number. For now, let's continue with Facebook. Tap on continue with your account. As you do that, the next step is to set up your location. Tap on set location services. Accept the privacy policy. Then the next step is to write your name. Let's write something random. Then you have to add your photos to the platform. You have to add 2 pictures. As you can see, I have uploaded 2 pictures of a celebrity. Then tap on next. Here you need to confirm your age, so enter your date of birth. Tap on confirm. Keep on choosing your preference as you go along. At this stage, you can select your interest to make your profile more interesting and appealing to the others, or you can simply skip this process and come back to it later. For now, let's skip this. After completing those steps, you can see my profile has been created and we have successfully signed up for the Bumble dating app. Now you can enjoy swiping and find your partner through the dating app. So that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.